499. 500. God, that's a good workout. Hey guys, my name is Khaled and welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at a push-up stand. Now there are quite a lot of variants on Amazon. If you want to get the exact one I bought, do check out the links in the description box below. And I thought it's about time, I purchased something like this because we're in lockdown. Exercising is becoming harder and harder, and I thought I need to make a move because I've put on a lot of weight, and especially the whole mental morale, motivation is just not there. So I thought I need to do something because I've turned into a big chungus, man, and I'm not even joking. Your boy is thick as hell. But because of this exercise gear, that six-pack is going to come into play very soon, so you better watch out. Alright, let's get into the unboxing. So what do we get? Inside the box we get the actual stand itself, so it's foldable, which will save you a bit of space. We also get two handles along with instruction guide, so it gives you a bit of an idea on how to tone and work out using this piece of kit. We also get 16 rubber feet to connect to the bottom of your push-up stand. So we have a tone and burnout workout calendar. It's pretty good. We've got 3 sections. We've got start-up phase, we've got rev-up phase, and then we've got explosive phase. So the more advanced you become, the more higher intensity the workout could be. Okay, there's a training guide as well. It's really nice to include this because if you're a newbie and you don't know how to exercise properly, for example, sometimes you can group them. You can do shoulders and tricep, you can do chest on one day and back on one day, and obviously as you progress you can incorporate more exercises together. Going back onto the rubber feet, they're actually pretty easy to install. So you get 16, they're on a sticky pad, and you just apply it on the bottom of the push-up stand. I'm just a little bit annoyed at the fact that they only provided 16. I mean, obviously you only need 16, but what happens after a couple of months, after wear and tear, you might need a few more. So if they're given like another strip of 8 or 10 maybe, you would have just sweetened that deal a little bit more. And the last part of the puzzle are the actual hand grips. So you get both of them and they feel very strong and well made. High grade plastic, so even when you touch it and feel it, it feels extremely sturdy. There is hardly any flex like the board itself. And I also like the grip itself. It has a bit of color in it in lovely red and just very good. We've got the 2 notches at the bottom, so that's how you connect it to the board itself, and you can easily change between different exercises such as tricep and chest. And overall just a very good handle, very comfortable as well, and as previously mentioned, hardly any flex, so it will last for a long while. So actually holding and feeling the push-up stand, or the push-up board, it does feel quite durable and heavy duty. It looks like the push-up board is made of high grade premium plastic. And also if you quickly look at the back, you can see on each side there are 8 feet, so that's where the rubber feet have been applied, and that provides enough traction if you're on like a slippery floor or wooden floor. And then we've got the hinge mechanism as well, and that has 2 screws on each end, and it's quite strong. I opened it and closed it several times and it seems to be quite strong and rigid, so hopefully this will stay for the long run and not break anytime soon. There's only a slight problem I noticed. I mean, sometimes if you open it up, it's not aligned properly. So just make sure it's flat against the surface before you start exercising. So once you have the board set up properly, it's very easy to use. You have color coordination. So green, you can see, is for triceps. Then we have blue for chest. So you can have 3 different exercises for your tricep, and then we've got 3 for chest as well. And the same can be said on the other side. So if we flip it over, we've got more exercises for back and shoulders. So altogether we've got 3 different exercises for each muscle group, which means you can switch up the game from time to time. Setting this up and using it is extremely simple. So you've got the board, you extend it, and then you have these sort of plug-in points on each part of the handle. It's around ½ an inch. I'm not the best with measurements, but it's around that mark. And then you have the insert on the board itself. When you do push it in, there is a little bit of flex, but that is needed just because when you're exercising, you don't want it to be locked into position, just so there's a bit of movement available on your wrist. So this is me using it on a rug like the idiot I am, and I'm a big chunky boy, so it can handle my weight without any problem at all, and I am very big, so if it handles my weight, then 97% of the population is probably fine. And it is quite easy to maneuver. Sometimes it does get stuck, but if you give it a little wiggle, it does come undone. And also the silly guy I am, I used it on a uneven surface. So if you can see by the illustration, it has lifted up in the middle slightly. It's because I'm using it on a rug and it's not an even surface. So if you use it on a wooden surface or stuff like that, it's absolutely fine. Or if you use it on normal carpet, then it will be fine as well, and it won't lift up in the middle. Alright guys, so we've actually reached the end of the review. I think it's a fantastic piece of kit to try and stay fit at the comfort of your home, and it doesn't cost much as well. If you do want to buy it, yet again guys, do check out my links in the description box below. It keeps you fit and healthy, and if you want to know how I've kept up with it, if it's improved my health, then do leave it down in the comment section below. I want to be using it at least 4 times a week for now, and then eventually use it every day for around 10-15 minutes just to increase my health. But hopefully you guys can help me on that journey and motivate me to do well. As always guys, if you found this video useful or helpful, do hit the like button. If you want more content from this not so good YouTuber, do remember to hit that subscribe button along with notification. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, stay safe, peace. 500.